Preparing and applying a transfer sticker. When you receive your sticker in the mail, you'll see that a transfer sticker is made up of 3 parts: the backing, the sticker, and transfer tape. If any air bubbles have formed during the shipping process, it's easy to remove them. Simply lift the transfer tape from one edge of the sticker to the center. Slowly lay it back down, smoothing it out using the flat part of your hand. Repeat this process on the other side. Your sticker should now be laying flat against the backing and is ready for application. Clean the area you want to apply the sticker to with rubbing alcohol or soap and water. Don't use a glass cleaner because it will leave a residue behind that will prevent the sticker from adhering well. Rub a squeegee or credit card firmly across the sticker. This will make sure it clings to the transfer tape when you peel it away from the backing. If the sticker stays on the backing, slowly replace the transfer tape and rub it again with a squeegee. Place the sticker in the desired location. Then rub it firmly with a squeegee or credit card. For best results, wait 24 hours before moving to the next step. Peel the transfer tape off at an angle, being careful not to pull the sticker off the surface. If you do, slowly lower the sticker and rub it again with a squeegee. Now your sticker is applied and it will look great for years to come.